morning, ma'am. This is our report.
Three. So our topic is about lateral vents. Lateral vents or platforms are a phylum of invertebrates characterized by their flattened bodies. They lack specialized respiratory and circulatory systems and include parasitic species like tapeworms and fluke, as well as free-living species like planarians. So, lateral vents ginatawag o flatworms kaya ilang lawas kay flat o mga invertebrates sila buto sa butas. Wala sila'y bukog sa ilang lawas, bakit sila'y heart, lungs, o blood vessels. Maong diretso na sila makakuha o pagkaon o hangin sa pinaagi sa ilang panig. Kung duha ka types ang lateral vents, free living kay kanang nagpuyo sa tubig o parasitic kay nagpuyo sunod sa lawas sa hayop o sa tao.
Lateral index don't have a circulatory system. They don't have blood or heart. Instead, oxygen and nutrients just spread directly to their flat body. So wala daw sila dugo o kasing-kasing o ugat. Ang ilang lawas kay lapad. Mao nang ang oxygen o nutrient kay musuda diretso sa ilang lawas. Respiratory system. They also don't have lungs or gills like circulation. Respiration happens through diffusion. Oxygen enters their carbon dioxide lies directly through their moist skin. So, pareho na sa circulatory system, wala po sila baga or gills. Ang ilang paghinhawa, diretso silang pahit. Ang oxygen, muagi sa ilang skin. Sila skin. And ang carbon dioxide, magawas po dito.
Digestive. Most flatworms have a simple digestive system with only one opening that serves as mouth and anus. Food goes in and waste goes out through the same opening. Some parasites absorb foods directly from their host. So, ang ilang digestive system ay simple ra, usara ka lumag para sa pagkaon o basura sa kung asa silang kaon. Dito po gawas ang ilang waste. Ang uban parasites dili na galing kaon kay sayop. Masuyop ra sila og nutrients gikan sa host.
Ay, bagsige ko lang ang butin. Lateral vents have a simple nervous system with two nervous cords and a small brain-like structure called a cerebral valve. They can respond to light, touch, and other stimuli.
Bisan simple ra sila, nagyapon sila yung nervous system, naa sila yung gamay nga brain, ug duha ka nerve cord na mudala sa signal sa lawas.
Integumentary. The body is covered by thin, flat, other layer, free-living ones have related skin protective covers that shields them from digestive juice of their host.
Ang elementary kaya ilang pares mga sila yung addiction nga mutabang sa ilang pag-movement o ng free living kay napod sila yung sensitive skin murag gamay ng buhok na mutabang sa ilang pag-lihok o ng parasitic kay friction gapon sa ilang digestive use of their host.
They don't have true endocrine system.
Instead, it releases hormone-like chemicals that help control reproduction and regeneration. Ang flatworms, walay true na endocrine fibra sa taon na plants, pero maka-reproduce gapon sila hormones, maka-reproduce gapon sila chemical na murag hormones na tabang sila pag-control sa pag-growth o pag-reproduce. Reproductive. Flatworms are usually hermaphrodites. They have both male and female organs. They can reproduce sexually or asexually by splitting or regeneration. Mostly sa mga flatworms ay hermaphrodites, pagkasabot, naa sila ay male o female organ sa ilang lawas, makapanganak sila with sexual with another flatworms or asexual by dividing or regenerating. That's all.